going to show you how to make a granny square when using multiple colors. To begin, there's two ways. You can chain 4, slip stitch into the first chain, that completes, makes a circle for you to work into. My preferred method is the magic circle. So you hold the tail, wrap the yarn around, put your hook under, grab the yarn, and instead of pulling through, just chain 1. There you go. Now it's secure. Here's your tail. If you pull the tail, you can make that circle a little smaller, whatever you're comfortable working with. So to begin, we're going to chain 3. And this counts as a double crochet. And I'm going to double crochet into the magic circle 2 more times. And that's a set of 3 double crochet. And chain 3. This is going to create a corner. You can chain 2 if you like. I like the chain 3 because I think it makes the corners more square and defined. I'm going to do another set of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to pull this a little bit smaller. I'm going to chain 3 to create the second corner, and 3 more double crochet into the circle. And chain 3 again, 3 more double crochet, okay, pull this tighter. The nice thing about the magic circle is you can pull it as tight as you want, or have the circle in the middle be as big as you want. Again, chain 3. And to finish the row, I'm going to slip stitch into the 3rd chain of the chain 3. Okay. So since I'm going to switch colors, I can cut this off, pull that through, and you can either weave this in now or you can weave it in later. The way I like to do it is I'll take this and I will weave it down through this last stitch here. Never come out. I'll tie these 2 together and then I'll weave it around in that beginning circle piece. I have my new color ready. Now there's 2 ways that you can connect your yarn. You can go in with a slip stitch and chain 3 on a corner, or my preferred method is a standing double crochet. So I've got the slip knot on my hook. You have to hold the tail for this. Just hold it so it doesn't spin around. Yarn over, go into the corner space, grab up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through your other 2, and that's a standing double crochet. What I like about that is your yarn is up on the top. If you were to connect with a slip stitch and do a chain 3, you're connecting your yarn at the bottom. So when you finish your row and you come around, both of your yarns in the same place, and it's just, I like to tie off that way. Okay, so we're going to do 2 more double crochet in this corner. And that's going to be half of a corner. Chain 1. Go into the next chain 3 space here, which is a corner, and do 3 double crochet. Chain 3. 3 more double crochet in the same space. Chain 1. 3 double crochet in the next corner space. Chain 3. And 3 more double crochet. Chain 1. 3 double crochet. Chain 3. 3 double crochet. Chain 1, and then we're back to where we began. We already did 3, so we're going to do 3 double crochet and a chain 3. Chain 1, 2, 3, and then we want to slip stitch into that first double crochet, which was that standing. Slip stitch, and again I'm going to change color yarns so I can cut that. Just pull it through, and you can tie these together. You can weave them in better too. Sometimes I just weave them in so they're nice and neat looking. Tie it together and I'll weave it in after the next row. So row 2, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 1 on the side, 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 1, all the way around. So let's go back to the green. So again, I'm going to start row 3 with a standing double crochet in any corner. yarn over, insert your hook, draw up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. 2 more double crochet in this corner space. And then you're going to chain 1 on the sides. I'm going to do 3 double crochets in this side space here. That was the chain 1 space from the previous row. And I'm going to chain 1 and do 3 double crochet, a chain 3, and 3 double crochet in this corner space. Chain 3. And the other, I like the chain 3, so when you're connecting granny squares together, 2 of the chains are for the side, and then you have the middle one, which would be for the actual corner. Chain 1, 3 double crochet in the side space. Chain 1, and I'm in another corner, so we're going to do a series of 3 doubles, a chain 3, and 3 more doubles. I chained 1 and a set of 3 doubles in the side space again. Chain 1, going into the corner space with a 3 double, a chain 3, and 3 double. Going to hold those ends to the side. Okay, chain 1, a set of 3 doubles in this last side. Chain 1, and like the other row to finish, we've already made 3 doubles to start, so we'll finish with 3 doubles. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'll slip stitch into that standing double crochet, pull through, And that's 3-row granny square.